Today we're looking at a 2023 Chevy Traverse Premier. It comes with a Joey rear entry wheelchair lift. I'm going to kind of walk you around this, show you how everything works. With this Bruno lift, you just drive your wheelchair onto it. It picks your wheelchair up, puts it in the back. You usually have to fold the backrest down on it. And then we have a Bruno BraunAbility transfer seat here, or tourney seat, they call them. It comes out, lowers down. It's designed to match the height of your wheelchair. So you just pull up on your wheelchair, get onto that, and then you can put your wheelchair in the back, whoever's driving. And put your wheelchair on there and lift it up and in. So on the seat here, we go ahead and put it up and in. It'll automatically go forward and backward to give you the maximum space you can get out of it. It's not a super fast process, but it is a good option for somebody that has trouble stepping into a seat but still wants to ride in a comfortable seat. It also is a heated seat as well. So it picks you up and turns you in. Just like so. Then back here, you got a remote for this as well. Super simple, just in and out. It's already out, so we're going to go ahead and put it back in. This is rated to lift 350 pounds. A lot of those electric wheelchairs are a little bit heavier, so it's a nice sturdy lift. Once you get it up to there, it'll automatically go in. Just magnetic spot there for it. Got a power hatch. It is all-wheel drive. This thing's like brand new. They paid $20,000 for that seat and that lift and back to brand new to have it installed. Overall, the vehicle's in excellent condition. I don't even think there's hardly a rock chip on it. Super clean all the way around. It's got under 12,000 miles, so the tires are still in great shape. No dings or dents in it anywhere. It's got a proximity key, so you can just hit this button on any of the door handles and it'll automatically lock or unlock. You got a driver's power seat as well. All your controls there. You can set your hatch height to open all the way or 3/4. It's set on 3/4 right now. We'll turn that up to max. That's just in case you're opening it in the garage or something like that and you didn't want it to hit the ceiling. 11,869 miles. It's got heated steering wheel, long as heated seats. Got a big backup camera, 360 camera. It also has a rear view mirror camera as well. We got both keys for it. It's got a remote start. It runs and drives like brand new. The sunroof. It's actually got double sunroof. That screen is just closed on it right now. Has a power screen too. There we go. Open that one up. you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or text me at 507-990-6981. My name is Caleb, or you can get a hold of Isaac at 507-696-5217, or Leon at 507-990-6979. This isn't the vehicle for you. We got a lot more inventory. Got full-size vans, rear entries, side entries over there as well. You can go to our website, summitautoandcycle.com. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.